Well, hello everyone. My name is Ben Glass, and I'm the founder and creator of a company called Great Legal Marketing. We teach lawyers across the United States how to do effective, ethical, and outside-the-box marketing. On today's program, I have my good friend Charlie Hofheimer. Charlie is a divorce attorney, and actually a divorce for women only attorney in Virginia Beach. Charlie, welcome to the program.
Well, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Charlie, you and I have known each other for a number of years. You've been a part of the Great Legal Marketing Mastermind group, and as we built Great Legal Marketing to teach personal injury lawyers how to market better and more ethically and more effectively, we got this idea, let's take what we did. You've been using the materials to grow your family law practice, right. And I asked you to be a coach now, to join us, join the program, join the team, and to be a coach for family law attorneys across the country. So welcome to the program.
Well, thank you. I'm pretty excited about it, to tell you the truth.
Tell us a little bit about your practice, because it is a niche within a niche, but right. You've actually been able to take ideas from our main program and implement them.
Absolutely. In 1992, I started a firm representing women only. It was myself and my wife. And today we have 8 lawyers and a staff of about 13. And we have a very vibrant practice. And it's exciting and it's an interesting practice.
You know, from the outside looking in, it looks like family law is a very competitive area. Up here in Northern Virginia, I see a lot of ads for low-price divorce, a lot of TV advertising. What are some of the things that you and your firm have done now to compete in a very competitive marketplace in the Virginia Beach Tidewater area?
Right. Well, and we actually compete in the southeastern Virginia market. As you know, because you've taught us the process, we use an authored book as the central focus of our marketing program. We actually went from doing a lot of radio and newspaper and yellow pages
to sort of traditional stuff.
The traditional stuff, and now we get probably half our clients come off the internet. And so we have a big referral practice and we have a very large internet practice.
Give us some sense of someone who sees you perhaps at one of your seminars, requests the book. I know you have spouse-safe ways of getting them your materials, but what does it look like from the prospects, in this case the woman's point of view? What are they seeing about your marketing that helps establish you as the guru?
Well, I think first and foremost, we're very education oriented, and that's something that you've preached basically ever since I've known you, is the better informed your client is, the better client they'll be. And as a result, we really go all out. We do 5 seminars a month to educate women about divorce. We have 3 books that we make available. One's on what every Virginia woman should know about divorce, one's on custody, and one's specific to military wives or service members. So we use education as a fundamental source. Our website is very, very active. We have about 9,000 visitors a month.
That's a lot.
And they're interested in information, and so we try to provide it. We blog a great deal and really try to educate our future clients.
Now, I know from talking to other divorce attorney friends of mine that the last few years were actually pretty tough. As home values crashed, people were not able to finance their divorces. A lot of divorce and family lawyers really suffered, but during that time, your firm actually was growing. How were you able to do that, and what does that sort of look like today versus just a couple of years ago?
Well, let's start with the number of lawyers. We've added 3 lawyers in the last 3 years. In fact, we just added 1 this June. Our business is up probably, it's pretty close to 40%, and we're having the best year ever. We've had, every year has been a record year. The recession has not impacted us. I'm sure we'd probably grow a little faster if we weren't having economic difficult times, but our footprint is growing in the southeastern Virginia area, so it's looking very good, to tell you the truth.
So you've been in our Great Legal Marketing Mastermind program for a number of years. I've sort of have watched you take these techniques, obviously a very smart marketer prior to joining GLM, but take additional techniques that you hear around that table and implement them. So I asked you, hey, would you head up a program, a specialty program for family lawyers? Thankfully, you said yes. Let's talk a little bit about the program. So if a family lawyer joins the Great Legal Marketing Family Law niche program, what can they expect to see, get, experience?
Well, there are a lot of things. For instance, how to follow up with clients. What we call sequences is what you know, they may not know, is the mailing or emailing to clients of a number of follow-up emails after they've made an initial contact for your book. We'll be teaching, basically every month a specific strategy to improve your business, and we back it up with metrics. We can show you exactly where we were when we implemented a plan and where we're going to be. And so what they can expect from success with our monthly action programs.
And that's just the materials you're going to get them. Of course, all the new Great Legal Marketing members are going to get the Great Legal Marketing Toolkit, something we've sold for about $4,000 in the past. They're going to get a monthly bonus coaching program from me. They'll be on group calls with me. They'll be on group calls with you, have some access to you for questions. We're very, very excited about this as we roll this out to the family law attorneys because across the country, lawyers in small firms tend to struggle. They're good at what they do. They're
Right.
good at lawyering. Many of them aren't very good at marketing. They sort of follow what other lawyers do, and that just sort of leads to average results. So we're very excited to have you on board and leading the program. Folks who are watching this can go to glmfamilylaw.com, glmfamilylaw.com, get full information about Charlie's program, and we can't wait to have you join.
Absolutely.
Thank you for being on the program, sir.
Thank you, Ben.
Alrighty.
Alrighty.